So hello there guys, and welcome to Ívar's fly workshop. Today we'll be tying a fly that is called Green Weenie. It looks like this, and you can tie it in all sort of those color combinations and more. And what I've heard is that all of them work. It's tied by a request here on the channel, but I haven't fished this fly in Iceland. I have fished something similar and caught fish on it, so I guess this is definitely going to work as well. So we'll start by attaching the hook thread to the shank of the hook, and we are using a chartreuse fluor ultra channel from Wapsi. Any channel will do the job, and you pay attention to the end of the channel. I plucked out part of it so to catch in the channel like this, and then we're going to get with the thread backwards all the way to about here. And as you see, this is we tie it with a, I'm zoom in for you guys so you can see what we're doing, but we tie it with a loop on it. The thread I'm using, that's an SSS Frödin 12 in same color as with the body, and we are using a traditional nymph from Ahrex as a hook for this fly, number 8. And with the channel, you have to make like a loop, something like this. If you make it like big like this, it's gonna go in the hook gap, and it's gonna be probably not acting correctly. Yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can subscribe and even support the channel if you like. But we attach the make the loop like this, take few tight wraps, like tight enough to secure it in place. And then we are going to bring our thread forward and all the way to the bead. And the final step will be wrapping the channel forward. Before we do that, we have to snip off this end here and build up like a little bit of a thread base. Then we wrap our channel forward like this. What I read about this fly is that you can use it for brown trout and other species of fish that we do not have here in Iceland, but I presume brown trout will take this, and even the Arctic char. You have to lock the channel in place by the bead and take few tighter wraps to secure it. And we'll snip off the end. And I believe you can fish this fly both in stream, like running water, and then still water as well. To turn the bead a little bit, just to get the thread around it even, and to sit and push it with our fingernails, and then build up like a head on the fly. It's, as you see, really simple pattern, and I enjoy to tie simple patterns. You're quick tying them and stuff, but often the most simple patterns are the most effective ones as well. And we whip finish two knots. And as you see, you can tie those in multiple variations of color, pink, red, just do anything you like. And we also snip off the end, and then give the coat the head with our UV resin, which is a solar response cure resin. I like that a lot. I don't know if you can get it here in Iceland. I don't think so. I had to get this bottle and another one from a friend in the US. We'll just zap it with our UV torch and we're good to go. This is a Green Weenie Fly. It's been published, I think, 1950 or so, and then republished in 1989. So I just want to say to you guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.